Everyone is rushing to figure out AI, and I understand why. These tools are really powerful, but I think most people are asking the wrong question. The question everyone is asking is, how do I keep up with AI? The better question is, what do I bring that AI simply cannot? Because here's the thing, AI is getting better at anything that can be measured or automated. It can process information at a speed we can't compete with. But there are three things it still can't do. And those three things, I would argue, are becoming the most valuable skills in the next decade. The first one is judgment. Think about the last time you were in a situation where there wasn't a clear right answer, where the data pointed you one way, but something didn't quite feel right, where you had to make a call without knowing all of the facts, knowing there were real consequences. That's judgment, and it's still deeply human. AI can tell you what's worked before, but it can't tell you what to do when something is truly new. It can't read the room or pick up on what people aren't saying. It can't weigh the things you can't measure. And it can't sit with uncertainty and still make a clear decision. I honestly believe the people who develop that skill, who get used to making decisions under pressure, are most likely the ones others trust when it really matters. The second is communication. And I do not mean writing clearly. AI writes clearly. I mean communicating in a way that makes an impression, that stays with someone after the conversation ends. Think about the people in your life who you remember most clearly, not the ones who gave you the most information, the ones who said something that shifted your perspective. That is human connection at its best. And it is something AI struggles to do because AI is generic. It deals in ideas and patterns. What it cannot do is connect an idea to a real moment in someone's life in a way that makes them feel truly understood. In a world where everyone has access to the same AI tools, the professional who can communicate with that kind of depth and understanding, they stand out immediately. The third is adaptability. And I want to separate this from resilience because I think people confuse the two. Resilience is bouncing back. Adaptability is adapting to what comes next. The world is changing fast. Technical skills are becoming outdated faster than ever. The professionals who will do well are not the ones who mastered the last set of tools. They are the ones who can master the next set and the one after that. Not because they are smarter, because they have built the habit of staying curious, treating every new situation as something worth learning from. Adaptability is the skill behind all other skills. It is not what you know, it is how fast you can update what you know. So here's what I want to leave you with. The conversation around AI is mostly about tools, which platform to use, which prompts to write, how to automate your workflow. And that stuff matters, but the professionals who are going to be genuinely irreplaceable, not just useful, are the ones developing judgment, communication, and adaptability skills, from my perspective. If this added value to your life, hit the like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one.